See, you may have been on, yeah, you may have seen several difficult situations in your life. You may have watched like a million videos on motivation, but you know that when the time comes, when a difficult situation just hits, you actually are not able to inspire yourself. No amount of motivational videos that you have watched, they actually help you at that time. So, how is it that you can start? Yeah, you can start bringing the inspiration from within. Okay, there is no better and no bigger inspiration than what comes from within. How can you start using that inspiration so that you can actually stay assured that no matter whatever happens, whichever kind of problem turns up, you are going to get inspiration no matter what. Okay, hi, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on how you can inspire yourself in any situation. Try to watch this entire video till the end to get the entire scoop. Okay, stay tuned. See, in order to inspire yourself, first of all, see, what happens is something that you need to bring from within. When that inner inspiration is not working, there is going to be a lot of outer energy that's attacking you. There is going to be a lot of outward forces that are working on your mind, which are not allowing the inspiration to bloom from within. So, how do you deal with that? The first thing is you cut off from all the people who demotivate you. Okay, first you need to actually control, and you need to control those outward forces that are forcing you. Then you have to work on your inspiration. So first, try to cut off with all the demotivators. See, there are two kinds of demotivators. One is the person who is actually thinking positive about you and giving you a practical view of life and showing you that this can happen, this also can happen, be prepared for both. Okay, so that is not a demotivator, they are just preparing you. But the next one is they just keep on talking negative. They are always there whenever you need, whenever you are just a little bit inspired, they are always there to demotivate you. So try to cut off from all those kinds of demotivators. Okay, the next is, try to join hands with people who have a similar mindset, who you feel have the similar purpose. So when you join hands with the same kind of people, you will find the similar kind of minds, similar kind of thought processes that's already around you. Why people actually shut off their inner inspiration? Sometimes that is out of fear, that is out of disappointment, because a person feels that the entire world is there to get them and they cannot do anything about it. This is where they shut down their inspiration, which you don't have to allow yourself to do. Which is why when you have more people like you, when you have more minds like you around you, you'll actually start feeling inspired without even doing anything. The next is mix and mingle with people who appreciate you, who value you, who respect you. The next is always do what you like. Never do something that you don't like, not even for the sake of making others happy. A lot of people, they keep on doing this, they keep on doing something that they don't like just to make the others happy, to make their family happy, to make their friends happy, to make their relatives happy. I don't know who they are trying to make happy, but if you try to just do something that you don't like, all of this, all the points different that I'm sharing here, all the different points that I'm sharing here, if you keep on doing them, you are actually you're actually shutting down the inner inspirational thing that you have, the inner inspirational light that you have, which you need to just hold on to, you need to cling on to and make it shine brighter and brighter. So don't do anything that you don't like. Whatever you believe in, do only that stuff. Okay, whatever you believe in 100%, do only that thing. Okay, now this may be like a little bit of issue to some people who listen to it. Wear what you like, and yeah, do what you like, wear what you like, just eat what you like. I know that's not an option for unhealthy eating, but yes, try to have healthy meals. But sometimes you can actually have some cheat meals, but at the same time, never indulge into stuff that is not good for your body, because that may further ruin your inner inspiration. So the best way to make that inner inspiration flourish is you need to start doing what you like to do. Yeah, what you are interested in. If you like swimming, just go out there and swim daily. If you like playing the guitar, try to play the guitar on a regular basis. Okay, so that is what, see, whatever things I'm telling you, when you keep on doing that, it's actually going to increase your inner spark, which will automatically bring inner inspiration. If something feels right, then do it. If you feel that something is not right, then don't do it. But a word of caution here is, if you are under any kind of medication, your medicines may actually screw up with your head, and they may not tell you what is it actually that you like and what is it actually that you don't like. So in that case, try to listen to your family and do what they say. Once you are completely healed, once those medications have completely stopped, then you can actually judge what is it that you really like, what is it that you don't like. The next thing is your physiology. Work on your physiology. See, if you are demotivated, if you feel bad and if you feel depressed, and you you just are like this and you just keep on sitting like this, you sit like this for hours, what is the message that's your body giving? The body, your body is actually a biggest indicator to your mind. Sometimes your mind does not understand what's happening if your body is not giving along with what's happening in the mind. Let's say if your mind is demotivated, but still your body is like very nice and keep your back straight, keep your neck straight, keep your head up. Yeah, do smile even if you are under like a lot of stress, if you are under like a lot of pressure. It happens that that your mind will get confused, that why is this person smiling, why is this person so confident, and slowly the mind also starts giving in. Maybe we have to act this way. So yeah, let's cooperate with the body and do what the body says. So that is how you need to start using your physiology, your physical body to inspire you. Next thing is, never try to ask advice from people who don't feel good about you. Okay, see, this is like really practical. There are people who are not your well-wishers. Don't try to go and share your plans with them, because they are going to make sure that they ruin your plans. The people who are good for you, who think good about you, if you want to share your plans, if you want to share your next steps, you can actually verify it with them, but not with the scornful ones. See, planning and thinking is good, okay? But inner inspiration, if you are feeling all the inspiration in the world, but you are not taking the right steps, then what is that inspiration worth of? You need to start taking steps the way your inner inspiration is guiding you towards. Okay, so this is the video for how to bring out the inner inspiration. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with as many people as you can. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, leave a comment. Okay, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.